How to get high voltage bunny module in the first Descendant. In this videos we shall find on how to get high voltage bunny module in order for you to complete the Pyromaniac Void Intercept battle on hard mode. This module can only be used by Ultimate Bunny and has a low drop rate of around 1–2%. Players who want to get their hands on this module will want to progress through the game story until they can tackle the Pyromaniac Void Intercept on hard, as this enemy is resistant to electric and fire damage and can be very daunting to fall into. Let's see some tips to help you clear this fearsome enemy. Use ice elemental damage. Increase your fire resistance. Use long-range weapons such as scout rifles. Dispatch smaller enemies. Aim for the rod in its back when it appears. This enemy is slow-moving, so if you can keep your distance and maneuver around, you'll spike your survivability. The smaller enemies will drop ammo when they die, so dispatching them whenever you see them will ensure that you never run dry on all your clips. An ideal weapon for taking down Colossi is the Tamer machine gun, so be sure to go and get